Good morning from Karnama on Saturday, the 26th of October, and I'm just preparing to leave. I have had an extremely good few days rest here. It's a beautiful mural on the side of the council building, and I'll just run through a few of the highlights. I was really embraced by the community here. The local tavern fed me twice. The bowls club fed me once, and sent me on my way with a gift of food to travel with. I asked the local council if they would be interested in sponsoring me a campsite at their campground, and they instead gave me a house to stay in, so I had a bed for a few days, which is really good because I was feeling really tired, and the recovery time was fantastic. I spent that time fundraising in town, and I don't know what the final numbers are, but I raised well over $1,000 for the Royal Flying Doctor Service here, and over several days in different venues and wandering around the businesses in town as well. They've obviously, they in this town, they have a thing called the Giant Tractor, which is quite new, and it's a bit of a tourist attraction. It's a tractor that's 7 times the size of a regular tractor. So, and you can't miss it. You can't miss it when you come into town and people stop and look at it, and hopefully it draws people to the town and maybe some tourist dollars as well. I also checked out a really interesting local museum run by a local ex-farmer who and the museum has lots and lots of donated items, little trinkets of things that are flashbacks to the past, some of which I recognise and some of which I didn't. All sorts of really cool stuff, and many of them marked with who gave it to them, and maybe a little bit of extra information. Lots of farm machinery and stuff as well. It's really quite a cool little museum. It has it's only open on Fridays, but you can actually ring up and get an appointment and go and see it any time. So yes. What else? Today I'm riding a very short ride, just 20 something kilometres to the next town, Three Springs, because the bowling club here told me that there's a bowls tournament there, so I'm going to go and do some fundraising at the bowls tournament today, just overnight there, and then I'll be on my way through to the next town, which is Minganyu. And I'll take a rest day there as well and do some more fundraising. And then I've just found out this morning some more good luck. I have a warm showers stay in Geraldton. So yeah, a couple there who are avid cyclists who are going to at least give me somewhere to pitch my tent. We'll see how good that is. I think I've got a good feeling about it. So and it times in nicely with the direction of the winds at the moment, and which will blow me, hopefully, which will help get me there, because the ride from Minganyu to Mandurah, the ride from Minganyu to Geraldton is 105 kilometres, so that's going to be a huge day. That's why I'm taking a rest day in Minganyu. Yes. What else is this town? This really excellent town. I have to obviously thank the council for putting me up in a workers' cottage. That's really wonderful. Also have to thank Narelle and family at the hotel for the 2 wonderful meals I had there, and to Con at the bowling club for the meals there and allowing me to fundraise in their venues, and also to Rob from the council, who made things super duper easy for me in town and gave me lots of leads. So yeah, that's my time here. I'm about 625 kilometres in. I'm just over $5,000 raised for Royal Flying Doctor Service in 14 days. Today is day 15 on the road. So I'm looking forward to a nice easy ride now and getting set up. The bowls comp starts at 2 p.m, so looking forward to that as well. So yes, here we are just on the streets of, that's the police station over the road. They've got a kind of a cool little old police car that's been painted up over there. And yes, so thank you very, very much to the town of Karnamar. Look forward to our next chatting moment. please like and subscribe. Thank you.